today we headed out to Erie, Colorado, and I just want to give you a little more information about what's great about living in Erie. So first of all, Erie is a small rural suburb of Denver, and there's about 33,000 people living in that area right now. One of the great things about Erie is it is a little further away from the city, so it is surrounded by a lot of open space, and it's kind of tucked right by the foothills. Pretty much anywhere you are in Erie, you get a really great view of the mountains. So that's always a plus. It's quiet, it's peaceful, there's not a lot of traffic, and it's a really great area if you want to kind of have a more relaxed lifestyle. It's around 35-40 minutes from Denver. So I don't know if you want to live in Erie if you work downtown. Maybe you don't mind the commute. That's up to you, but it is about a 40-minute drive, and sometimes it can be a little more depending on the time of day if you're close to rush hour. But it's really close to the mountains, being tucked in the foothills right next to Boulder. It's only 15 minutes to get into the foothills and Boulder Canyon. Lots of great hiking trails, climbing, great parks, and El Dorado Springs is there, which is one of the areas that produces mountain spring water, and there is a hot springs there. So not too far from some really fun stuff. And a lot of people who work in Boulder like to live in Erie because the average price of a Boulder home is $1.5 million. Though everybody loves Boulder and its amenities and fun, quirky businesses, that's a lot of money for a house. So people choose Erie because you can get a really nice starter home around $500,000. You can get, homes in $700,000, $800,000, $900,000, a lot of new builds. Again, because it's a little further out, they've just started developing this area. So there's tons of builders coming in, multiple new build opportunities from the 5s all the way up into the 800s. So if you're looking for a new home, hey, Erie might be a good choice for you because there's a lot to choose from. Another great thing about Erie is it's got that small town feel. So it's got an old town, which this is kind of the area that was originally settled and grew from there. So a lot of those older buildings have now been converted into a really quirky, unique restaurants, shops. It has a little promenade there that you can just, roam up and down the street. And it's really a nice throwback to the small town feel that we all used to love, but you don't see a lot anymore. So Old Town Erie really does offer you a lot of cool options. The other great thing about Erie is it is newly growing. So they have recently built out a huge amount of infrastructure, and they've got a lot of parks, great huge new library and community center surrounded by parks, ball fields, tennis courts. They even have a skate park, which is pretty cool. So that area offers you all kinds of opportunities for outdoor lifestyle. So one of the top perks of Erie is the mountain views. That's really why a lot of people move out there, because you feel close to the mountains, you get that great view, but you're not too far away from everything either. Some of the Erie favorites that I know and love is the Echo Brewing Company, one of the local breweries. Really unique, fresh brew, and they have great food too. There's also a really fun place called the Rusty Melon, which offers unique local food, and they brew their own beer too. They have a great outdoor patio, and the menu offers you lots of choices from salads and sandwiches, and the price is really reasonable. Another fun thing is because this was originally a rural farming community, Anderson Farms has been there for generations. And the great thing about Anderson Farms is, of course, the fresh produce that they offer, but they have a really great corn maze in the fall. It's 30 acres, and it is one of the main attractions around Halloween. They also do a great pumpkin patch. So Erie offers 4 seasons of living, right? We're gonna have spring, summer, fall, and winter. Yes, it does snow in the winter, but a lot of people don't realize Colorado has really low humidity. So it can snow inches, a foot, and it's going to be gone in about a day or two. It melts off so quick because we're really high up. Erie's 5,637 feet up, so you're going to get a lot more sunshine, over 547 days of sunshine, and you're going to get to enjoy all 4 seasons of living. Summer is awesome because yes, we get those nice warm temperatures and all that sunshine, but no humidity. So that makes summer really enjoyable. If you're interested about the schools in Erie, there is one high school, multiple middle schools, elementary schools, and of course preschools. A really great source for you is homes.com. Pull up Erie, Colorado, and it's going to give you all the stats about the schools, how they rank in the state, and it's going to give you a lot of great information if you've got kids and you're concerned about, hey, what do the schools offer me in Erie, Colorado? So I really hope you enjoy our tour. We're going to check out Old Town Erie. We're going to check out some of the neighborhoods, show you some of the restaurants and attractions, and some of the new build areas. So if you have any questions, feel free to DM me, and don't forget, like, share, subscribe, hit the bell button if you want to see my future videos on Erie and other great Colorado suburbs. Till next time.